Klover Referral bonuses are only credited after every requirement in the referral program has been completed, so a missing step is usually the reason the reward doesn't appear right away. By the end of this video, you'll know how to check whether your referral qualifies, what to do if the bonus is missing, and when it's time to contact Klover support. If your Klover referral bonus hasn't been credited, start by checking that your friend signed up using your referral link or referral code. If they created an account before using your link or signed up without it, the referral usually won't be connected to your account. Next, confirm that your friend completed every requirement listed in the referral program. Depending on Klover's current promotion, that may include creating an account, linking a supported bank account, verifying their identity, or completing any other steps shown in the referral terms inside the app. If even one requirement is still pending, the referral reward may not be issued. Now check the referral section in the Klover app. It should show the status of your referrals and whether they're pending, completed, or still waiting for additional actions. If the referral is marked as pending, the best option is to wait until the required steps are fully processed. If everything appears complete but the bonus still hasn't been credited, make sure both accounts are in good standing. Problems with account verification, duplicate accounts, or eligibility restrictions can prevent referral rewards from being issued. It's also worth updating the Klover app to the latest version and signing out before signing back in. That refreshes your account information and may display rewards that weren't showing because of cached app data. If the referral still doesn't appear, contact Klover support through the app. Include your account email, your friend's account email if they're comfortable sharing it, the date they signed up, and screenshots of the referral status. Providing those details in the first message gives the support team the information they need to review the referral without asking for multiple follow-up messages. To recap, make sure your referral link was used correctly. Verify that every referral requirement has been completed. And check the referral status inside the app before contacting support. If the requirements were met and the reward is still missing, submitting a detailed support request is the fastest way to have the referral reviewed. If you found this guide helpful, like the video and subscribe for more Klover tips, app fixes, and straightforward troubleshooting guides.